Yeah, the fish is well clean. I've cleaned the fish, washed it, and removed all the gizzard, and it's well clean. So I'm just going to clean it more with paper towel to dry the water in the body. So you're going to need a oven rack. So I'm just going to spray the oil on it. While I'm doing this, I don't want the fish to be stick on the tray, so I am going to rub oil. I'm just going to wet it myself with paper towel. This is oil. I'm just adding oil in it. This black pepper, I'm just going to sprinkle pepper all over the fish. Just need to marinate it. So after that, what we are going to do now is just to fold your fish and take the tail of the fish to the mouth. And try to shook the tail. Oh, these are broken. Shook the tail from and through the nose of the fish. So yeah, that's how you just want it. Simple, guys, very simple. I don't bother looking for dry fish from back home. This year can just do it myself. Then I have dry fish that I want, smoking fish. You also do the same thing with this and try to bring this one I've broken too. Try to bring it from the nose. Simple, guys, simple. And it's the same thing I'm going to do with the rest of the fish. Here we're going to just put it inside the oven. Yeah, it's inside the oven, so I'm going to try it like 35 to 40 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to change the other side. This is about 25 minutes. So I'm going to do 25 minutes in both sizes. I think it's going to take up have to put it again. Like, I'm going to wait more like about 25 minutes too, so it will be well dried. Hey guys, we are back. Let's see our fish. Wow. Yeah. It's well dried now. As you can see, look at your dry fish is ready. How guys? Yeah guys, you can just, you see, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try to look at the fish. How do you see this fish now? And people, how una see am? So guys, on a more serious note, just try it out. So it's a simple, just the way I showed you guys earlier, just from the tail to the, through the mouth to the nose of the fish, so just like that. So it's very simple. So guys, and if you're just bumping in, this is Rozzy Kitchen. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from the video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and like and press the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching. Remain blessed and safe. Stay safe. Bye. I see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching once again.